Aptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to each. Charaka for Immunity. Biggest ever national level video contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2021. Presented by Team Aptas. Co-sponsored by Himalaya Wellness Company. Shri Dhutapapeshwar Limited. YSS College of Pharmacy, Nursing and Paramedicals.
Hello guys, myself Masira MK, BMS 4th year from SBS Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Mundargi. I hope you all are doing well in this corona period. But before going into the deep, I would like to tell you about Charaka's view on pandemics. You will be surprised to know that Charaka, which is a 3000-year-old book, have a whole chapter just dedicated to pandemics. Those who know Charaka Samhita, they know Vimanasthana. And the third chapter of Vimanasthana is dedicated just to the pandemics. Pandemics in Ayurveda are called as Janapada Damsa. Janapada means community and Damsa means destruction. So pandemics cause community destruction. We know that there are different kinds of pandemics that human beings have experienced in the different times. And right now it is COVID-19. And we are dealing with them by developing new vaccination, and sometimes they are working, sometimes they are not. So we should understand that this is not the right way to go with them, and it's important to go through another path like immunity boosting drugs and all, which are mentioned in Ayurveda. Ayurveda believes is to have a strong immunity of a person so that we can avoid the diseases, and it focuses on boosting the immunity of a person. And nowadays, as threat is increasing, our major target is to be on public which is otherwise healthy or not infected yet, so that we can boost their immunity and cannot get infected. In Ayurveda, we are having so many immunomodulators and immune system enhancing drugs, and we can use these for coronavirus also. There are so many drugs which are very simple. It may be single drug or compound drugs, and very famous one is Chyawanprash. In our country, all everybody should know that Chyawanprash is best immune booster, not only for coronavirus but for our other diseases. There are single drugs also which have been proved for increasing immunity of a person, like Guduchi and Kali Mirch, Haldi. There is a long list of such drugs which can be utilized by the normal population. Ayush Mantralaya also stated that one of the kadha Ayurvedic preparation, Katha, what we call in Ayurveda, is very much essential in this situation, and we have anti-infectious properties with this kadha, and it keeps our throat healthy, and chances of disease are very much less if you take this. So drugs like Tulsi, Ashwagandha, Kali Mirch, so on should be added in the water and make katha and take 2 times in a day. In this way, Ayurveda is playing a great role in pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. So stay healthy, stay safe, and keep adopting Ayurveda. Thank you.
Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.